All right, guys, we are going to get this load of firewood loaded in to this basket so we can free up this space, because I want to put some slabs that we still need to let air dry a little bit longer over here. So those slabs right there need to be stickered and moved to free up some real estate. And I would like to be able to then move that pile right here somewhere else so that we can start storing some of these firewood crates out here for easy movement. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I don't know about you guys, where you're from, but here in western PA, the weather's been pretty crazy. We've had anywhere from 70-degree weather and sunny to what you saw earlier in the little clip that the snow's been coming in and out. Like the sun's starting to peek out through the clouds, but we've had 3 different whiteouts today, and then over the weekend we had even more. I mean, like knocking all this snow off the firewood here. It's been pretty interesting. The robins are out. I can see them sitting in the trees. The blue jays are going crazy. You might hear those in the background a little bit. But you see how nice it is to have this cutout, being able to get in and easily place your firewood in here. Makes things a lot nicer. We don't have enough to fill this thing up, I'm pretty sure. This is probably only going to get about halfway, but I just wanted to get this stuff out of the way so we can, like I said, free up this real estate, get these slabs moved over here, let those things air dry a little proper, a little better.
You look up with those angel eyes. I remember what I'm fighting for. Oh, the victory cannot be denied. You're the fire in my bones. Oh, the song upon my soul. And I gotta let the whole world know. Every day when the sun rises, I feel love beating down my door. Every night when the moon is shining, I pray you'll be coming back for more. Come
All right, guys, as you can see, we got about halfway filled, which is basically what I was expecting to do. I'm pretty happy with that yield, and I'll have to get some more wood split to fill this one up. I need at least one more filled up. We do have 2 baskets already pre-sold, which is pretty awesome. I didn't get all of the wood in, or I'll pan around. So this stuff was just too punky. Whenever I would clang them together, there just wasn't enough of a thud, right? You hear that dead thud? That's just, there's a little bit of heartwood maybe in this one, but there's just too much punkiness, and I'm not going to sell that. I wouldn't. I don't want my name on that, but I will burn it. That's not a problem. We'll burn all of this ourselves. Any of the stuff that was on the back row was either too punky or just didn't split right and just looks gross. So like I said, we'll just keep that stuff for ourselves. Not really sure how this one ended up so massively long, but get this cleaned up. So I want to put those slabs over here. So next I'm going to get this area cleaned up, get all the rest of this stuff moved out somewhere, and show you where we're going from there.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you wanna shine, just step in the ring. Yeah, I'ma shake your bones like thunder. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. I don't want nothing, nothing at all. I don't want nothing at all, unless I can have it all. Nothing at
All right, guys, we're going to wrap up this video here. I got a little bit of work done outside. I was hoping to get more work done, get some more footage for you guys, but somebody was supposed to show up today. They actually want to take a look at some of these slabs that are in behind me here, but they ended up having to push that until tomorrow, but we didn't find that out until later. So we got what we could done today. I was trying to get this place accessible and looking good so that we can flip through some of these slabs, but c'est la vie, right? It is what it is, part of the business. Couple of things that are upcoming. Still getting ready, still planning to take possession of the flattener next week. And then this week I've got some military training, so all of this is going to get shaved off. Should be shaving off about, I don't know, 5 to 10 years off my age. I definitely got a baby face. So we'll try to get that on camera too. But yeah, again, thanks for hanging out. Click that like, consider subscribing if you haven't already, share with your friends. We will see you guys on the next one.